Wait, is your PC taking forever to start? Then this tiny thing might be the reason. What is SSD? SSD stands for Solid State Drive. Think of it as your computer's super fast storage device. It stores your games, photos, videos, and apps. But unlike old hard drives, it has no moving parts. How fast is SSD? Here's the crazy part. A normal HDD reads data at around 100 megabytes per second. A SATA SSD can reach 500 megabytes per second. And modern NVMe SSDs up to 7,000 megabytes per second or even more. That's why your PC can boot in seconds instead of minutes. SSD good for gaming? Absolutely. SSDs make games load much faster, reduce waiting screens, and help open huge game maps quicker. Will it increase FPS? Usually no. But it makes the entire gaming experience feel way smoother. If you're upgrading only one thing in your PC this year, make it an SSD. It's one of the biggest speed boosts you can get. Did you already switch to SSD? Comment your SSD size and follow for more tech tips.